Mr. Wonderful here. I'll tell you where I am, in the United Arab Emirates, in Dubai, at Watch Week. Now, what's important about this show is it's one of the largest platforms on earth for new watchmakers. You're going to see a lot of brands you know here, no question about it. Over the last 10 years, it's become very, very famous for introducing new players. People that are bringing innovation, new dials, new ideas into the watch world, very often set up here and are discovered by collectors like me. So I always look forward to this show. I just like to walk it, discover new ideas, and of course, other collectors are here too. We're all talking to each other and finding out who's hot and who's not. So let's go check it out. And it gives you an idea, because this used to be just small boots, but you've got and what we want to really look at, micro brands here. It's very interesting to see what's going on. Many of these are new players here, so very interesting to go check them out and see what they brought, because they're going to bring their very best pieces here to attract collectors. Huge. Bethune is absolutely huge. And you know what's great, he's brought his heritage collection here. Very often you don't get to see these watches in a collection like this. Here they are just sitting in a window. It's almost like a museum piece right here. Check these out. Here's the man himself. Good to see you, my friends. Let's ask the man himself, why do you come to Watch Week?
Dubai Watch Week is a format totally different than what you can see in the world of watch industry. A show where is a non-commercial event. So only passionate, the community of watch lover attend this event. Is really great.
It's a collector show is what you're saying.
Yes.
It's collectors. But also, you're introducing new ideas at this show. I come to see new stuff. This is one of the most beautiful displays I've ever seen here. That's a hell of a collection. But this year, which piece is generating most interest out of your collection?
I can introduce you. You'll bring it. This is a titanium version, but the new piece that we introduce here, this is a new 40mm perpetual calendar. We call it the DB25 perpetual sky. So it's also
It's a little larger.
This is 40mm. It's a bit bigger because you have the complication of the perpetual calendar and the 3D moon phase complication that take place. It's a spherical moon phase.
And still I could get the constellation of my sky of the night of my birth.
Everything is possible, yes. The perpetual calendar is priced in US dollar is around 150 US dollar. So, and this another novelty that we introduce here is a kind of two GMT. Kind of two, why? Because we have, as I can show to the camera,
poof. Oh, that's spectacular. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. With a wonderfully balanced.
The pieces that everyone is asking to is the DB25 with a beautiful burgundy dial.
And I've seen this piece, and I'm telling you what I want. I was born in Montreal, Canada, July 9th, 1954, and I'd like to see the sky on this watch.
Of course, it's possible. We can recreate any personal sky. We meet the date of your birth, the place of your birth, the time you're born, and we can make a design.
The thing about this dial, I love dials, there's no question, but when you see it for the first time and there's a connection, and I looked at it and I said, my goodness, are those stars? So your technique to do this is you're drilling holes.
Yes, we drill almost 98 different holes, different size of hole. You have three different diameter of hole. We drill 98 of them. In each hole, we inches like a goupy, a gold goupy inside. It's a work that takes hours and hours.
It's extremely beautiful. It's unique. That's what I love about it. Of all your pieces, this is the one that I connected with the most. But I have choice of case metals.
Yes. We have rose gold.
Yeah.
We have titanium.
So the options are initially yellow gold and titanium.
For this 1 year.
And can I buy them both direct from you if I wish? You only go through dealers.
It's different of the region you are. If you're in America,
The U.S. you're facing tariffs right now.
you can always buy direct to the Bethune showroom in Geneva if you come to visit the Bethune in Geneva.
So I can get this in titanium if I wish, right?
yes, the titanium.
I like this, but I really like this. This is spectacular. I want to see the titanium. See, this is what's fantastic about Watch Week. I can actually meet the maker and make a deal. Like, that's the whole idea.
Mr. Wonderful here. No one needs a watch, but everybody wants one. Why? Because it marks a moment of time in your life. Many watches appreciate and value over time. That's why I created WonderCare. Want to learn more about insuring your watch? Go to WonderCare.com.
What's the difference in price between these two?
And that one is around 90. It's a 5,000 Swiss franc difference between the rose gold and titanium.
Gold is more.
Gold is house.
Yeah. Which is more popular, titanium because of the lightness?
Titanium is very popular because it's really the signature of the Bethune. We are, really well known for the high polish.
It also works beautifully with the Starfield.
Yes.
That's a great contrast, very spectacular. Okay, so I'm having a real dilemma. These are my favorite pieces of the collection, but do I go rose gold or I go titanium? This is always a dilemma. It's a huge dilemma. Right now I'm leaning towards titanium because I think it works so well with the Starfield. It's just beautiful. This is what's so fantastic about Watch Week. Meet the maker, meet the watches, see them, fold them, then make your decision. This is what watch collecting is all about. Okay, let's make a deal on this one. How long is it going to take you to make this?
To make this is between 1 year from today.
Okay, yes, fair. See, a lot of people don't realize you have to wait a year because this is such a fantastic maker. He's got a lot of people in line. You got to wait your time, but you know the piece is coming. This is not new for me. I've waited 2 years for watches and I'm okay with it. I just need to know this is coming in my collection. And I'll probably see it around this time next year. Right?
Yeah, most probably within a year, next year.
What's your...
And even for you, maybe we'll try to
Well, I'm not
to
going to...
accelerate.
I mean, because I'd like to make this watch famous on Shark Tank. And I'm going to need a red band on it. Okay, and what's your deposit policy? How much do you take up?
We take normally 20% deposit. We know that the person is 20%.
I'm happy to make that deal. That's fair. Absolutely fair. That's not unreasonable. He's a reasonable man and a great watchmaker. Fantastic. All right, you have a deal, my friend.
Great.
That's
Thank you.
fantastic. My first watch at Watch Week. I just walked in here. I'm very happy about it. Thank you so much.